In this video, we're going to talk about an essential driver skill that most people should be doing subconsciously, but just by refining it and thinking about it, we can crystallize what we need to be doing. And the technique we're going to be talking about is the vanishing point. We're going to discuss how the vanishing point should affect our driving, our acceleration, deceleration, and also our cornering. Keeping your eye in the distance is one of the most important driver skills that we can master because it gives us a lot of information about upcoming hazards, the road ahead, and to a certain extent, what we're going to be doing next. Now, the vanishing point is the point at which the road disappears. Now, fairly obviously, if the road is sweeping round to the right, the vanishing point will move over to the right and then you'll cease to see the road ahead. And conversely, if you're going round a left-hand bend, the vanishing point will move to the left. We're not going to win any awards by saying that because that is fairly obvious. But think also about the vertical motion of the vanishing point. If the vanishing point is coming towards us, that generally means we're going uphill. And we should be slowing up. Our speed should be decreasing. Our stopping distance should match the distance that we can see ahead. And if that's reducing, we need to reduce our speed to make sure that we have a workable stopping distance ahead of us. And conversely, if the vanishing point is moving away from us, it means we can accelerate. Now, as a driver, the vanishing point does not just move left, right, up or down. It's usually a combination of all of these. So coming out of a sweeping right hand bend, if we notice the vanishing point extending, we can put the throttle down. We can start to accelerate into that distance. If the vanishing point on that right hand bend is coming towards us, it means we need to slow down. We've got to anticipate a reduction in our stopping distance and adjust our speed accordingly to allow us to compensate for that. One of the biggest mistakes that new drivers do is really driving too quick, to just hope that things are going to be okay. And in the main, they often are. But you never know what's around the corner, what's over the brow of the hill. And any experienced driver will tell you that things can change very quickly. So if we're not ready to react, we're just going to smash into whatever it is, or we're going to fall off the road. The vanishing point is often obscured by cars in front of us, and by dropping back we can open up our view of the road ahead, and it'll also give us a bit more reaction time should the car in front of us do something silly like a brake check or some other random maneuver that could impact our being able to travel safely behind them. And we shouldn't discount things falling off the car. The amount of times I've been behind a car carrying bikes, for example, and one of the bikes has bounced off, or other bits of the car have just fallen off into the path. And if you're driving too close, you can't react in time. That will just hit your car and probably cause a lot of expensive damage. So keep the vanishing point in mind. Think about what the vanishing point is telling us about our position on the road, our speed, and what we're going to need to be doing in the next few seconds on the road ahead. And that helps us to anticipate this and be ready for it, and makes us a smoother, safer, more effective driver. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please boot that like button. That really does help us to get out there. If you're not subscribed, please do so, because that helps the algorithm recommend us to other people that will be interested in this channel. And I've lined up this video and this playlist that you should find really interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in these next videos.